managed to stop in a box junction. But it's okay, I'm allowed because I'm turning right. I'm waiting for oncoming vehicles and my exit road is clear. If my exit road on the right was blocked with congested traffic, or if I'd block oncoming traffic turning right, then I'd have to wait back behind the stop line, or cycle area if there was one. Box junctions are often found in busy areas. They're identified by yellow crisscross lines, and are there to keep the junction clear. You must only enter a box junction if your exit is clear. As usual, make sure that you plan ahead. Be careful not to just follow the vehicle in front, hoping for the best. I'm turning left at the traffic lights, and I can see 2 box junctions ahead. I can make it past the first one, but there's a car ahead. I'll have to stop here so that I don't stop in a box junction. Keeping the box junction clear helps vehicles emerge out of this car park. A green filter arrow has come on, the vehicles in front are moving, and it's safe to go. I'm turning left at the traffic lights, and not only do I need to make sure that I don't stop in the box junction, but I also need to watch this lorry turning right. I've given the lorry some space, as it might swing into my lane. I can see that the road I'm turning into is clear, and I can easily get past the box junction. Keeping my distance from this van is not only safer, but it gives me more time to plan ahead and to make sure that I can get past this box junction without stopping in it. If you'd like some tips on how to deal with meeting oncoming traffic on tight country roads, then watch this video next. Really hope you found the video useful. Please subscribe and give the video a like, as it really helps us make more. In the meantime, keep safe on the road, and bye for now.